We seek help when we are drowning. We seek help when we are dysfunctional. जब लाइफ में सब कुछ गलत चलता है, रात को नींद नहीं आती है, भूख नहीं लगती है, that's when we seek help. I am here today to share with you the power of help. Hi, I'm Komal, a life coach. A decade back, I had no idea what help does. I had no idea what it's all about. बचपन से हम लोगों को ये सिखाया जाता है कि हेल्प की जरूरत ही नहीं है. यू गॉट दिस, यू कैन डू दिस बाय योर ओन. बचपन से हम एक नोशन में चलते हैं that we got to fit in, we got to look good, we got to score good. स्कूल का गेम शुरू हो जाता है, मार्क्स अच्छे आने चाहिए from one thing to another. तो हम बहुत यंग एज से सीखते हैं that सब कुछ हमको खुद ही आता है या हमको खुद ही सीखना है, हमको सब कुछ खुद करना है. That's when we become powerful. एक फॉर्मूला है जिस फॉर्मूला में मैंने यही लर्न किया बचपन से दैट मेरे को सब आता है. नहीं भी आता तो एटलीस्ट इट शुड लुक लाइक कि मुझे सब आता है. एंड हम अपने पेरेंट्स को भी यही करते देखते हैं फ्रॉम अ वेरी यंग एज. दैट्स व्हाट वी लर्न फ्रॉम आवर एल्डर्स. एवरीबडी स्टार्ट सेइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो, तुम मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग बच्चा हो, यू आर सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल. And that's what I aimed to do. I thought I have everything, school जाओ, पढ़ाई करो, career का plan बनाओ. But it just doesn't work like that for everybody. Sometimes we don't know what belongs to us, who we are. From a very young age, we are navigating life while we don't know how to do life. And that's exactly what was happening to me. I was failing from one class to another and marks नहीं आ रहे हैं, स्कूल में टीचर्स कंप्लेन कर रही हैं, घर आ रहे हैं तो घर में स्ट्रगल चल रही है. तो इस सब में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बट एक चीज समझ में आ रही है that no one should know that this is happening internally, that I am not able to figure out what to do with myself from a very young age. एंड वो करते करते मैंने अच्छे से सीखा सबसे कैसे कंसील करना है, कवर करना है, मास्क करना है, हाउ इट शुड लुक लाइक, हाउ आई शुड पैकेज माई सेल्फ. यू नो एक चेकलिस्ट बनती है. स्कूल, कॉलेज, करियर, आई डिड इट ऑल. इट लुक्ड परफेक्ट गाइज. आई डिड माई ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम पेरिस. Even after failing, I was actually achieving a lot of things and doing a lot of things. I felt like अब तो मैंने checklist achieve कर लिया है, अब सब कुछ सही चलेगा. I've done it. I've been participating in the race and I now know how to run. So slowly जो मेरी एक inner battle चल रही थी उसको conceal करके मैं एक strong बच्चा बन गई थी. I was doing it very nicely. In fact, the last time I was on a stage, I was giving a speech about how being a failure should not stop you from achieving, from dreaming, from doing big things. एक साइड पे मेरे को किरण बेदी से अवार्ड मिल रहा था for achieving so many things at a young age, और दूसरी साइड पे I was concealing it all. I was making sure कि किसी को पता नहीं चले कि मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है. कि रोज I probably think zillion thoughts and there are so many things happening internally that I'm going to put under the rug and no one will come to know. I think I was 9 when I first probably had an anxiety attack, but anxiety word was not even in my dictionary. So घर पे क्या बताते हैं, और घर पे वही चल रहा है कि you got to be strong. And while doing that from a young age, I learned how to conceal. I learned how to put that mask of I'm fine with a smile. And slowly, what I realized is that ये सब जो मैं collect कर रही हूँ, मेरे experiences, taunts, trauma, अगर मुझे कुछ बुरा लग गया है या अगर मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है and I'm covering it up, it's all getting collected in a bag and I'm carrying that bag and it is very heavy. And every day it's becoming heavier and heavier. And my smile is actually becoming fake. And I'm looking good, the picture is good, everybody can see कि देखने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, but is it really? Because जब एक side पे I'm getting an award from Kiran Bedi, on the other side I'm locking myself in the bathroom and crying, and I don't know the reason. I don't know which one to point out. I'm struggling at realizing कि problem कहाँ है. स्ट्रगल कहाँ से आ रही है या सफरिंग कहाँ से आ रही है. ये इतने बड़े बिग वर्ड्स जब हम घर में भी बोलते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमको सब यही बोलते हैं, इट्स फाइन, कम ऑन, यू गॉट टू डू इट, you're a strong person. And that's how we repeat. Every day we do this. And we get pro. We become very pro at smiling. अगर हम रो भी रहे होते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं, oh, I'm so sorry, everything's fine. Everything's working out for me. It's okay. I'm a strong बच्चा, a strong girl, a strong daughter. So एक साइड पे जब ये सब कुछ हो रहा था और मेरी इनर बैटल चल रही थी, धीरे धीरे मुझे रियलाइज हुआ दैट इट्स ईटिंग मी अप लाइक स्लो पॉइजन. मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ सफर कर रही है और किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा और कोई देखना भी नहीं चाहता. अगर किसी को जाके बताओ तो फिर वो आप वीक लग रहे हो. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन यू इफ यू आर लुकिंग लाइक यू नीड हेल्प. Help in our society and in our culture is considered a very big sign of weakness. It's considered like कुछ तो problem है तुम में. Something's wrong with you. That's what इतनी shame attach कर देते हैं हम with the word help. I am here to share with you the power of help. Because that's how slowly I started realizing that कोई नहीं आने वाला है, ये power मुझको ही achieve करनी पड़ेगी अपने लिए. I started seeking help. घर पे बताया, nobody was curious to know more. Nobody wanted to talk about it. Therapy, life coaching, tarot card reading, meditation, deep breath work, Reiki, energy work, you name it, I've done it. For years, I started working on myself, and slowly I learned that there are so many life skills I don't know. There are so many things that I didn't have any idea about. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता how to name my feelings. There are only two words, happy and sad. I don't know what to do when I'm frustrated, or when I'm exhausted, or when I'm going through a big life change, how to navigate it. So slowly I started exploring emotional wellness. Started exploring how does it work. धीरे धीरे मैंने सीखा कि अगर हम एक लाइफ की ड्राइंग करें तो चाइल्डहुड टू टीनेज, 20s, 30s, 40s, हमारी लाइफ में काफी सारे स्टेजेस आते हैं. स्कूल जाते हैं, कॉलेज जाते हैं, कॉलेज के बाद जब हम बाहर निकलते हैं तो हमको फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी ढूंढनी है, हमको अपना करियर एस्टैब्लिश करना है, जॉब, बिजनेस, शादी, relationships. There are so many stages. Our body goes through so many changes. Do we really know how to regulate ourselves during these stages? Do we really know how to love, or how to express love? How to regulate our emotions? These are the questions I started sitting with when I was learning. Started realizing that I have no idea about these skills except the here and there part, जो हम सीखते हैं. अच्छा सोचो, think positive, come on, don't give up, be strong. These are the words that we repeat every day like affirmations. But there are times when the bag is getting heavy and positive thought नहीं आ रहा है. We don't know how to process our anger. We don't know how to do these stages of life. You know, हमारा brain mid-20s से late-20s तक mature हो रहा होता है. Now imagine till 20s and 30s, we are not learning these life skills. How does it look like now if we don't know these life skills and we are navigating life through these different stages? It's like a dark room and we can't acknowledge that we need help because that would look weak. That would look like कुछ तो problem है. So this formula wasn't working for me. I thought I'll create my own formula. I'll venture into emotional well-being. And that's when I realized that emotional intelligence is actually powerful. It helps you navigate your emotions. It helps you regulate and manage your emotions. And then it also helps you understand others. There is so much to learn here that we don't explore. Because हमको पता नहीं होता और बताने में शर्म आती है. हमको बोलने में शर्म आती है कि हो नहीं रहा, समझ नहीं आ रहा. अगर घर में लड़ाई हुई है या किसी और के साथ लड़ाई हुई है तो हम सबसे पहले उसको दबाते हैं, अंदर रखते हैं, एंड वी मूव ऑन. द नेक्स्ट डे नेक्स्ट फ्रेश माइंडसेट. बट व्हाट इज द माइंडसेट? हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट इन लाइफ व्हेन यू हैव दीज स्टेजेस एंड देयर इज नो हेल्प एंड यू डोंट सीक हेल्प? There is so much power in help, but there is shame attached to seeking help. So eventually when I started learning, I realized that emotional intelligence का formula तो बहुत काम आ रहा है. It is also required to do life, to feel like we can build up something जिसके अंदर satisfaction भी feel हो रही है. Emotional intelligence actually helps you not just exploring yourself or realizing what you need to do in life. It also encourages you to explore deeper in your relationships. Self awareness create होती है तो धीरे धीरे हमारे connections भी better होने लगते हैं. We regulate better. We know what to do when we are frustrated or angry. We know how to navigate a little bit, and slowly we start learning these skills and they become part of us. How is this formula looking like? Think about it. Get your best grades, become rich, establish a business, learn 3 languages, and do whatever is required, जो कि हमको पहले से सिखाया जा रहा है. But then if you go back home and you don't know how to manage your relationships, you don't know how to sit with your big feelings, you don't know how to navigate the ups and downs of life, it will all become tasteless and blank. It will not feel good till we actually know how to connect with ourselves and others. And even if you get the best job and the best business, वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ interaction है. I don't think so we can go to work leaving emotions back and come here or do anything without it. So there is so much that is there to explore, and these are skills. But हमारे यहाँ पे एक नोशन है कि अगर हेल्प चाहिए तो दैट मीन्स आप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. दैट मीन्स कि देयर इज समथिंग गोइंग रॉन्ग विद इन योर सिस्टम एंड यू आर गोइंग फॉर हेल्प. नोबडी एक्चुअली encourages us to seek help. Whereas there is so much value in emotional intelligence. Get the best score, go for that job, that business, increase your IQ and work on your skills, but without EQ, it will not blend. It will not become a combination of enjoying what you're doing. There will be a lack of connection with the people that you interact with. There will also be a space where you will feel like you're in a dark room and you're all alone. But here is the formula where you mix both of these together, IQ and EQ. Where you make these things your skills to learn, where you take yourself as your favorite project, where you realize that seeking help is actually powerful. Because बहुत courage लगता है ये बोलने में भी कि I need to work on myself, बहुत courage लगता है ये recognize करने में कि कहाँ पे काम करना है और फिर डेली उन चीजों को टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स को अप्लाई करने में. सो इमेजिन देयर इज सो मच स्कोप देयर. सो इज हेल्प एक्चुअली फॉर वीक और फॉर द स्ट्रॉन्ग वंस हु एक्चुअली टेक अथॉरिटी, हु टेक चार्ज, हु रियलाइज दैट देयर इज सो मच टू लर्न आउट देयर. I'm standing here and I'm sharing with you guys something which I truly believe in, which is that these are skills, these are to be learned. जब हम बहुत casually बोलते हैं, I don't know how to express love, it's actually a skill how to learn how you can express love. जब हमको गुस्सा आता है, हम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, तो 2-2 3-3 दिन तक हम बात नहीं करते हैं. देयर इज अ जनरल नोशन कि इनको ना कम्युनिकेट करना नहीं आता है, या शी डजंट नो, लीव हर देयर, शी डजंट नो हाउ टू मैनेज वर्क लाइफ. These are actually skills that can be learned if you take yourself as your favorite project. Before I leave this stage, I want to share a few lines from my book. When you struggle, when the suffering is alone, you feel like it's going to consume you, it's going to be the worst of you, but that's because you're struggling alone. A supporting hand can actually save life. Thank you.